Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you, it happens to the best of us, alright? You get rock jammed up, you get something jammed up in that turret, okay? Undo this 45, going into your deck pipe here, okay? Turn the motherfucker up, swing your boom around gently. Don't slam it down on here. Leave a little bit, where you're up with your boom, okay? You don't want it to be resting down on there. But you see how I got that? I got that tied in, okay? Now we're gonna pump backwards through the freaking boom. Make sure there ain't nobody behind you here, okay? Because this gonna come rocking it out of there. Make sure I got enough freaking water in there. Make sure you got plenty of water. Give her a little Fillenheimer. Okay, fellas? If you're out in the field by yourself, you ain't got another pump, try to rock it back and forth, you got something jammed up in there, this is the way to do it, okay? Swing your boom around, tie the freaking tip right into your reducer here, baby, okay? Now you're going to be pumping backwards through the boom and out the deck pipe. Alright? We're about to see. We'll have to see here in a second. Okay? Gonna come rocketing through there. Believe it. Go, 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 water hammer, go. Yep. So we got here about 8-9 minutes of video left. Okay, fellas. Might just have enough and see what we got. Stand back, I'm telling you. Don't let nobody get up to the high point. Get up to the high point up there. See what we got. Let's switch her around. See how I got that? Tied right in. Bam. See what we got, baby. There she goes. There she goes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, look here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, motherfucker. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. Come on now. Watch out. Get up high. Bam. Oh, dude. Clear. Clear as day. Clear as day. Shot that coat devil right back through. You see how easy that is, fellas? You see how easy that was? Simple, easy. Okay? Give a couple more squirts. What do you think? What do you think, guys? You think that works or no? It does. That whole boom is fucking clear. Okay? Bam, dude. That's how you do it, fellas. Fucking JC, baby. Pimping and pumping 101. How to clear a fucking boom. You don't go forward, it's coming backwards, fellas. Trust me. You just saw it. Okay? Get money.